come with me to get our barn ready for a huge blizzard that we're getting. It's gonna last up to 3 days. So we went to our local feed shop and we got sawdust and pellets to put in their stalls to make them nice and comfy and easy to clean up. Thunder has gotten injections in his fetlock to help him with an injury this spring, so we gotta make sure it's all nice and sanitary for him. For Belle's stall, I had like 2 sawdusts that were already open, so I just threw that in there. So come with me for these 3 long blizzardy days and I'll show you the updates of how it's going. Merry Christmas!